Stop thinking that baking soda is only used in the kitchen. It is also your ally for cleaning your house. Just like vinegar and toothpaste, baking soda can be used in many things. Let's see. Eliminate smells from fridge or freezer. Use a tablespoon of baking soda and 17 ounces of warm water. With a cloth, clean the walls and shelves. In fridges without frost-free, wait for it to defrost before cleaning. After that, use another cloth to dry. This process can be done with plastic containers. Clean rugs. Mixing baking soda and hydrogen peroxide helps remove stains from rugs. Make a paste with both ingredients and apply it over the stains. Wait a few minutes, then remove with a paper towel or dry white cloth. Don't rub the mixture, or you will spread the stain to other parts of the rug. Don't use colored paper or newspaper, as they release paint and will make things worse. Unclog sinks. Pour 1 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda into the sink drain. The amount varies according to the issue. Let it sit for a minute, then pour 1 cup of white vinegar over the baking soda. Let it sit for half an hour until a bad-smelling foam comes out of the drain. After that, pour boiling water to finish the cleaning. Clean and bright kitchen. Stoves, microwaves, fridges, dishes, cutlery, and stainless steel items can get an extra shine with baking soda. Add some of it to your sponge and rub it where you want to clean. Eliminate bad smells from towels. This solution is one of the best alternatives for preventing your towels from smelling bad. It easily penetrates the fabric, helping eliminate dirt, bacteria, mold, and microorganisms that cause infection and bad smells. You will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of white vinegar, 1/2 cup of baking soda, hot water. Put the towels in your washing machine and add enough hot water to cover them. Then add the white vinegar and start a regular washing cycle. After that, add more hot water and the baking soda and finish as usual. Your towels will be clean and odorless. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Unclog bathroom shower drain. Mix 3/4 cup of baking soda with 1/2 cup of vinegar and pour it over the drain. Close the drain and leave the mixture there for 30 minutes. Boil some water and pour it over the drain. Turn on your shower to check if it worked. Clean mattresses and walls. Mites are everywhere, including in your mattress, pillows, couch, and rugs. To remove them, sprinkle baking soda over the surface and let it act for 10 minutes. After that, use a brush or vacuum to remove the excess. Eliminate flies from the bathroom. Using baking soda in the drain keeps these flies away and also prevents bad smells. Make a solution using 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of eucalyptus essence. Pour the mixture in the drains at night after everybody in the house has already showered. Like these tricks? Did you know any of them already? Try them and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.